In today's video, I'm making a antioxidant-rich mocktail that also has cardioprotective properties, as well as having ingredients that help to calm your nervous system. So let's dive in. So in this mocktail, we are focusing on two herbs. One is hawthorn and the other is linden. Now, I made a video all about the benefits of hawthorn. I'll leave a link and you can check that out. But hawthorn is great, and some studies have been shown to help reduce blood pressure. It has a lot of antioxidants, and in some cases has been shown to be a bit cardioprotective. Linden is another great herb. It's often used as a nervine, helping to relax the nervous system. And hawthorn can also have some nervine qualities as well. So together they make a great mix. Now, this is a tincture from Wise Woman Herbals. It has hawthorn and linden as the primary ingredients. It also has danshin, which in Chinese herbal medicine is a qi tonic, so to help promote the building of qi, and also ginkgo as well as ginger. So this is a great little formula. So that's going to be our secret weapon in this mocktail. For the base, we are going to use a tea, not surprising. And for this tea, this is actually a mix of rooibos, which is a not quite a tea leaf like the Camellia sinensis family. This actually, rooibos, is a bush from Africa, and it has no caffeine in it, which is great. Now, this one is a little bit of a mix. It has rooibos, rose hips, and hibiscus, a little bit of strawberry, blackberry, cornflower petals. So it has a little bit of berry as well. And then on top of that, we're gonna add in hibiscus. Hibiscus is also a natural diuretic, so it helps to, promote kidney function and to help to get rid of excess water. Hibiscus has also been used to help reduce blood pressure as well. I mixed those two, about a tablespoon of each, to really kind of fill up this carafe here, and then I just stored it in the fridge. It will last in the fridge for a few days, no problem. You can add some sweetener if you want. Hibiscus can be quite sour, but we are going to add a little bit of a berry or cranberry additive to kind of help with the flavor. So what you want to do, get your ice. So we're going to use probably about 4 ounces of the tea, about 3 milliliters of the tonic. Make sure you give it a shake too before, because some of the contents can settle in the bottom. And then we're gonna add, I have this mixer here, which is a spiced cranberry. Now, you can replace this with cranberry juice, cranberry concentrate. You could use a little bit of syrup or whatever you have. I'm gonna use a little less than an ounce, I would say. Kind of depends on how sweet. This one is a little bit sweet, but it has like almost like a spiced wine type taste or flavor, like a mulled wine. So I'm gonna use about an ounce there, and let's shake it up. It's actually a little sweet, surprisingly, so I'm gonna add a little bit of lime juice here, just to kind of balance it out. Mocktail is similar to you making a cocktail. You want the flavors to be balanced. At least I do. I don't like things overly sweet. The herbal formula has a little bit of glycerin in there too, which is a sweet flavor as well. So, now it's perfect. And into our glass. And if you want, top it up with a little bit of, I'm using a little club soda if you have a flavored sparkling water that you like. Up to the top. And let's taste. Oh, that's good. It's light, it's refreshing, crisp, and you've got the additional benefits of having the linden and the hawthorns. It's gonna also help you kind of chill out and relax. You got your hibiscus in there. This is a great mocktail if you are, again, doing something like dry January, or even if you're not doing dry January, any time of the year and you just want to back off of the alcohol a little bit. This is a great option for you. I hope that this was helpful, and if you try this, let me know down in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.